This is how you dry epoxy on a gas tank.
I want to put down the back and hold it wide open. I'll probably get like another 2 horsepower out of it.
Might turbo the bike afterwards as well. I don't know. Got Richard down here at the bottom of the hill. Gonna give her a little shot, try and make it up the hill. I got this little fucking climb here. Darcy just did it. Pretty step. She's pretty step. Give her, Richard! Yeah, I'd say go back to that red thing. Give her a fucking try here. Ah, come on! Close! Close! Pull! Pull! What are you doing? Oh, the fucking rocks and shit getting going over here. She's fairly steep, boys and girls. I don't know if I should try with the old YZ 125. She might be a fucking... might be a challenge. Solid. Fuck yeah. How's that? Not a bad time, really. Oh yeah, 3 or 4 more little trails up the fucking hill here. Gonna try fucking up through the trees right here. There, she's gonna go up through here. Fucking kind of steep. Oh, fucking big rock, that's wicked. He's fucking steep. Yep.
At least then you can kind of see coming up the hill, you can judge it more. Not launch yourself and land on that hump.
Man. Come on to her, Darcy!
I remember you told me to watch out with reverse. I'm so fucking scared!
Oh no, don't do it! You might get hurt! Are you too tired? Just doing it for the camera. Come on, there. There we go. This is how you ride dirt bikes, boys and girls. Oh yeah, with ease that time. Perfect. Mint.
That's a big rock.
It's a big hill. Oh yeah, not too bad at all. Beauty. Fuck yeah. Featuring Chase and Jonathan. Chase's new wheeler there, and Jonathan's new wheeler that's not so new looking. Just wrapped up here, you know, fucking the old uniform. Everybody else took off and went up the trail. So. How was that? Is that your first tow?
No, I got stuck on this trail a couple weeks ago.
Nice.
Anthony on the YZ 125, coming up the hill hot. When's he gonna bend? Oh, woo! That could have been worse.